I'm worried about this hive. Oh no. Today's my first hive inspection after installing the bees. It's now just 1 week. I'm gonna get dressed, get my smoker and my sugar water, and then we're gonna go check out the hives. As always, I come prepared with my EpiPen. I'm not allergic, but just in case. Let's go check out those bees. I see a lot of activity, particularly in this hive, which we said last time, this was clearly the stronger hive. It had a lot more bees in it. There's some activity on that one, but definitely not as much. We're gonna open them up, feed them, check them out, and let's see what we have going on inside. Ah, scorpion! Our bees have run out of water. So that's another lesson learned. Clearly they drink a lot more than I thought. All right. Look at that. Well, I have not learned about smoking. My smoker has gone out. You can see they've built out a lot on top here. I don't know exactly what that means. I mean, I think they have maybe a little bit of room between their hive and the feeder. I don't know if I should be scraping this off. I might look that up in a minute. But in the meantime, I'm gonna start taking some of these frames out, and I wanna see if they're building into these frames, which are the new frames. They came on these 5. I wanna see if they have built out here and here. So let's open it. Yes, look at that. This is one of the new frames, and they've already started building out on it. I love it. Wow, and there's some honey in there. You can see it's nice and shiny. I don't know if they're making honey or if they're eating honey, but there's honey. You can see these bees right here with their mouths in the honey. Oh my goodness. That is a lot of bees. What is that? Is that a drone? It's bigger. I don't know about this bee stuff. How do people get these things out? Oh dear, I'm slipping. Oh my goodness. So I think that's brood. Oh yeah, you can actually see. Oh goodness, look at this. You can see inside there, you can see some little baby bees. That little white stuff, little baby bee. Cute. I think that's a queen cell, or like a practice. Still don't see the queen. I'm here to feed you, take care of you. Bees no sting. Here's something new too. Over here, these little bumps, those are drone cells. Someone described them that they look like bubble wrap, that they're a little bit bigger than regular capped brood. Man, I really wish I could see the queen. A couple thousand bees here. How am I supposed to find her? More honey, more brood, all good signs. Oh look, there's a bee doing a bee dance. Look right there, bee doing a bee dance. Yes, I know, you're angry. Please, shoo shoo, shoo shoo. They're all hovering around this thing. I don't know what's going on over here. What you making? I want to know. This is another one of the new frames. Drawing out the comb. That's awesome. Don't exactly know why it's so orange in there. I guess it's pollen, but I don't know enough. I'm trying hard to find this queen, and she's just not showing herself. I'm gonna leave this hive alone now. Y'all go back to work. Look what they're doing. They're like making little bridges. I'm going to put the feeder back on, give them some water, and this hive is done. You don't want to be in there. You're gonna drown. Hey, there you go. Oh, hello, Scorpion. Goodbye. Time to leave this hive alone. This hive was weaker, at least that was my opinion. We'll see what it looks like this time. Oh no. Oh, that's not good. Clearly a lot of bees have drowned. They're supposed to be getting the sugar water through the inside. I'm wondering if this is the culprit. I wonder if that's how they all got in there and drowned. But I also don't know why they did that. That's so sad. We're gonna open it up and see what it looks like inside. Hopefully a lot better than this looks. But why didn't the other one have this problem? I guess the good news is there's still bees inside. Very briefly, here's the 5 that I installed. So these are the new ones on the outer edges. Don't see a ton of activity over there, but let's open it up and find out. Oh boy. Lots and lots of honey. It's so heavy. But the population is clearly not as strong as the other one. Nothing. But they have not yet drawn out comb. What is this? I don't know what that is. At least they have honey. Oh man, I can smell it. That's cool. Well, I clearly don't know how to spot a queen. I don't see brood the way that I saw in the last hive, unless I don't know what I'm looking for. Last one of the original frames. So heavy. Whoa, honey. I just want to taste it. The new frame, bone dry. Not even any bee activity. I'm gonna pack this one back up. I'm worried about this hive. There's lots of honey, so they're not gonna go hungry, but I have not found the queen. I didn't see anything that I know is brood. I think this is all capped honey. In the other hive, there was clear indication of baby bees. I don't see any here. I don't know, is this capped honey or brood? I can't tell. Okay, brood. I'm sorry I had to kill it, but that's what I needed to see. I needed to see some indication that they're laying and that there's a queen. This is the only frame that I see that had brood. I feel like the queen is probably here, and I don't see the queen. Grrr. Maybe another day I'll find a queen. Some of these bees look whiter than normal, whiter than all the others. I wonder if they're new bees. Newbies. Uh-oh, a beetle. I just saw a beetle. I heard about beetles. I'm gonna feed this hive, but I'm not gonna put that, whatever that thing is called, that expander, telescoping something. Everyone out. You drown, it's your fault. Not now, not now. You gotta wait. I'm clearly worried about this one still. Saw a beetle. I saw very little brood, but lots of honey. I'm hopeful, but worried. This one, on the other hand, no worries. They seem to be expanding the honeycomb. That's another thing. This one, they didn't really expand the honeycomb at all to the other frames. This one, they've already expanded to 2 more. So probably the next time I come out, I'll be adding another medium box on top of that. This one, I suspect it's gonna be a while. And frankly, I just hope it survives. I'll probably come out here in another week or possibly 2 weeks to check on them again. Okay, bees, I'll see you next time. Be good. Be safe.